Welcome to Drawleaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable this assistant menu in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. From here go to interaction and dexterity. Then just tap on assistant menu option. So just tap here to enable it. And you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you want to customize your assistant menu, just tap on select option. From here you can add or remove any item from your assistant menu. If you want to remove any item, just tap on this minus icon. On the other hand, if you want to add any option, from here just tap on this plus icon and you can see it's added successfully. Then just go back. From here you can change your size. You can choose small, extra small, medium and large. I suggest you to enable this option, which is show as edge icon, and here it is. You can also increase or decrease your transparency from here. And that is how you can enable assistant menu in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.